In the name of God, in this video I am going to talk about number line. Number line is a straight line. Number line is the best line you can compare the number. Number line is the best line we understand which number is large, which number is small. The number line center is 0. From 0 we move to right number is increase. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Positive infinity. From 0 we move to left number is decrease. For example, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative infinity. In the number line, distance between all numbers is equal. We say we move from 0 to right numbers increase. For that, 6 large, then 5 large, then 4 large, then 3 large, then 2 large, then 1. We say we move from 0 to left numbers decrease. For that, negative 1 large, then negative 2 large, then negative 3 negative 3 large, then negative 4 negative 4 large, then negative 5. Thank you for watching.